Hey guys, thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Veldog and this is my kitchen, where I make restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Let's get cooking. Alright, this is what we're going to start out with. Today we're going to have a Greek pasta salad today. And we're going to be using these tri noodles right here. Alright, we have some crumbled feta, and there's going to be like 8 ounces of that. We got a cup of I'm gonna get dripping. This is a cup. it's a gag. It should be a blooper, because I did this second time. I'm like, when you get on the camera, it just seems like you forget what you're doing. You lose your train of thought. So make no mistakes about it. I know where everything is. So this is cucumber. There's gonna be a cup. This is a half a cup of raisins that I'm going to be using. Here's some green olives that I'm gonna be using. That's like a half a cup of that, and it's a full cup of black olives right there. And this is 16 ounce. What's this? Zesty Italian. And you want to shake that up before you pour that in there. And we're gonna go ahead and get started with this real quick. We're gonna go ahead and get us a pot boiler, and we're gonna go ahead and get it getting. Okay, guys, I'm back. What we're gonna do? We're gonna go ahead and start with these while our pot warming up. We just go ahead and slice them in half. Like so. You want to have a sharp knife when you're doing this. Watch your fingers. Okay. We're going to use, since I got like 2 cups of this, we're just going to eyeball it right now, okay? And I'll let you know how many I used. Okay, I'm going to finish this up. I'm going to show you what I'm going to be working on next, which is the olives. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. It's about how many I use. I use like half of it. So when you cut it in half, it makes a lot more. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on our olives. I like to cut these probably like 3 times. Throw those in there. And I'm gonna tell you now, I'm gonna be using all of these olives. Okay, you get the idea. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this one up, and I'll show you what I'm gonna be doing to the other one. The black one's gonna get cut 1 time, because they're smaller. Okay, I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. Go ahead and start with these black ones. See how you do that? Just cut them in half. If you don't like the black one, or you don't like any olives, you don't have to use it. And with that Italian dressing, you can use some balsamic or red wine vinegar with olive oil in it. You can use pretty much anything your little heart desires. So, but I like mine like this. You don't have to make yours like this. You don't have to use the feta. You can go with some Parmesan, powder or real. Tastes good regardless. I just like it with the, I didn't used to like it with the feta. I come to like it with the feta. And the raisins, I don't put the raisin in there. Put the raisin on your plate, okay? When you get yours. Now, normally I'm trying to do away with meat in my pasta stuff, So I normally put meat in mine, like making maybe some bacon, real bacon, not that bacon bit mass. I mean, if that's what you got, you want and you like it, you can put that in yours. I use like real bacon pieces. Okay. So that's what I normally do. So let's look at our bowl, see what we got here. That's what we got. We want some more black olives in there, so we're going to keep on chopping a little bit. I told you I just eyeballed. So this was a whole cup of this, so I may not use the entire whole cup. But remember, we got to put our pasta in there too, and our other ingredients. So I just eyeball this one a little bit. If you guys new here, consider subscribing and share with your friends and family. I'll be trying to put these recipes up. They're video recipes, and all you have to do is just follow the step. I'm a hands-on type of guy. That's how I learn things. You don't have to learn it like that. If you want to write it down, you can write it down, but I normally do like video recipes. Sorry about that. I may one day end up having to write it down if I have to get a cookbook or something. Okay, I think that's enough. That's all we use right there. I may end up using the rest. Alright, here you go, right here. That's what we got. Now we're going to take our what's the name that I keep forgetting? Our cucumbers. We're just going to put that in there. I don't know why I keep forgetting cucumbers. Cucumbers, man, why you, man, come on, please. So we're going to stir that up, mix it up a little bit. Alright. We're not going to put our pasta, our Italian sauce in it till the pasta get done. So I'm going to take you guys over there, show you what to do with that. It ain't nothing but seasoning, like some salt or whatever. Alright, in a minute. Let's see you. Okay, we're back. Camera fell down a little bit. Okay, we're going to take us some salt, first of all. You can use regular sea salt or table salt or whatever salt you got. You can put some of this Mediterranean salt in it. Alright. I'm going to take these noodles. Just going to go ahead and toss those up in there. Okay? Just like that. Alright. We're going to get our spoon. Stir it one good time. Let me rinse this one off. Stir it, and we're just going to let that cook till it's al dente. Shouldn't take no more than about 5 minutes, and we'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back. Our pasta salad, our pasta rather, is done. I'm going to pour this hot water out. I have like a calendar in there so it can catch some of these noodles just in case they all fall out. All we're going to do, put some cold water in there. Okay? Put that in the sink. Run us some cold water in that. Stop the cooking process. Stir it gently. We'll probably do this procedure probably like 2 more times. And then we'll be ready for the bowl. Put that bowl back in there. So another way you can know that it's ready to go, you don't see heat. Like the thing, you see that thing? Alright. So we're just trying to cool it down. We don't want our noodles soft. Not too soft anyway. We want them al dente. Al dente. See that? Yeah, perfect. And the only reason this is not Italian, which could be considered Italian, only reason I said Greek pasta salad because I'm using the feta, almost like goat feta or something like that. Goat cheese. So we do it one more time just to make sure. Alright. Put our bowl back in there. Turn this water off. All these noodles not going to fit in this calendar. I don't know. I should have grabbed the bigger one. I didn't feel like hunting. I got to tear the place apart just to find it. Okay. Just like that. And we'll let this sit here, this pot, and try to dry out a little bit, and I'll meet you over there. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. Alright, the pasta been drying for about a good 5 minutes. We're going to take some of that and put it in there. Okay. Take about half of it before we mix it around. Don't that look good? How about my water? Oh my goodness. Okay. And we're going to take our Italian dressing, shake it up. You got fingernails to go around. I'm just tripping. Here you go. Pour half of that in there. So if you don't like a lot of this in there, you don't have to put a lot. Just put half of it. Okay. We're going to take our Greek feta, put that in there, stir that up. The reason why I'm doing it like this because I want this to be in there evenly. This stuff don't last long at all. I might eat about 3 or 4 bowls of this today. Okay. So we're going to take our rest of our noodles, put that in there. So if you're making about this much, then you're going to need about a third of this. There you go, right there, see? And I may even put some more in there. Well, I'm going to take a little black pepper, sprinkle a little black pepper in there. A little garlic, granulated garlic. Sprinkle a little of that in there. I love garlic. Turn. And you want to keep this in the refrigerator about a good hour, I'd say. 45 minutes to an hour. Let it get cold. Alright, take our rest of our Greek feta. You get some big chunks in it. You can break them up or whatever. I like to keep these little containers too. Cause see, I can put some of this in it and take it to work or whatever. Or I can take some to someone. So yeah, so like this little piece right here, this big piece, you crumble them up. Just make sure your hands clean. Alright? There you have it. Wash my hands up, so if I can zoom that in for you. There you go. It's a Greek pasta salad. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to this video. Veldog signing out. Thank you guys for watching.